If you're seeing an MSN server error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest ways to check whether the problem is on your side or whether MSN is actually having a service outage. This is a simple, practical troubleshooting guide that can save you a lot of time, especially if the page is not loading, MSN articles won't open, or the homepage keeps timing out in your browser. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you should do is verify server uptime. In many cases, an MSN server error is not caused by your computer at all. It can happen when Microsoft services are experiencing temporary issues. To check that, open a new tab in your browser and visit third-party status trackers like Downdetector or Microsoft Status. These sites can show real-time reports from other users and help you confirm whether there's a widespread outage. If you see a spike in reports or an active incident listed, then the issue is likely on Microsoft's end, and the best thing to do is wait for the service to recover. If the status pages look normal and the error is still happening for you, the next step is to clear your browser's temporary data. Sometimes, when MSN articles fail to load or the homepage won't open properly, your browser may be holding onto a corrupted data packet, outdated cache, or bad cookies. That can interfere with how the site loads and cause repeated errors. To fix that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on Windows, or AMD, Shift, and Delete on Mac. This opens your browser's Clear Browsing Data menu. From there, select the options for cache and cookies, then clear the data. After that, close the browser completely and reopen MSN to test it again. In many cases, this one step can immediately fix loading problems. Now, if the issue continues, the next thing to do is test MSN in a private browsing window. Open an InPrivate window in Microsoft Edge or an Incognito window in Chrome. This is a very useful test because private browsing usually disables most extensions and avoids using the same stored browser data. If MSN works fine in private mode, then the problem is probably coming from one of your browser extensions, stored cookies, or local settings. In that case, you can go back and disable your extensions one by one to find the one that is blocking the Microsoft domain. If MSN still throws an error even in a private window, try refreshing the page, restarting your browser, and checking your internet connection just to rule out any temporary network issue. You can also try another browser or another device to see whether the error is specific to one setup. If it works elsewhere, that confirms the issue is local to your browser or computer rather than MSN itself. To recap, the best way to troubleshoot an MSN server error is to first verify whether MSN is down using Downdetector or Microsoft Status, then clear your cache and cookies, and finally test the site in a private browsing window to check for extension conflicts or corrupted browser data. These steps are fast, safe, and usually enough to get you back into MSN without unnecessary guessing. If this tutorial helped, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.